what's up? This is Ali. I hope you are doing great. This is the day 2 of shooting the vlog, and this vlog is going to be entirely in English, just for my audience that doesn't understand Urdu and Punjabi. So yeah, I got my order from Indigo. I don't understand one thing, that why do they mark an order ready if it's not ready? I have another order that I need to pick up from Fanti. I'm at Nugati right now. Because like the problem is not waiting for it. The problem is that if they don't mark it ready and if we are still waiting, then once 15 minutes pass, we can request like for waiting compensation from Wolt itself. So we know, like it shows on the app that the order has gone this late, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It shows by minute by minute. But once they mark it ready, then it doesn't show it on the app. Then like sometimes we notice like when we arrived at the restaurant and sometimes we don't. So like usually like we don't look at the clock right here that we arrived at this restaurant at this particular time, because like usually we just expect that it would be ready and we will go in and we will pick it up, or it will maximum take 2-3 minutes to make it ready, and that's not a big deal and we will just pick it up. But once they mark it ready and it's like taking more time, at least like 15 minutes, and then most of the time we don't know like how much time it has passed already, and just because of that we lose the potential 500 foreign compensation that we might have been able to get. So yeah, these restaurants have been working for or operating for years, and they still don't understand the basic etiquettes. Anyways, why should we ruin our mood? It's a usual thing. On the other side. So I got that second order as well. I need to put them in my bag. was market picked up, and there are two drop-offs. They are pretty closer to each other, which is a good thing. And the drop-off is about 3.2 kilometers. We need to find a crosswalk. Basilica. No, bro. This is a bicycle lane. Please stay out. Stay out of it. It's open as well. I am at the Corbin right now. It's tram number 4. I'm almost there. To take the right from here. Okay, this is the building. So I have delivered the first order. I'm going for the second one. It is at the Dean's Hotel or Hostel in front of Semmelweis campus. Okay, so this is Semmelweis. This is the quick tour from outside. And that's our destination. Second order has been delivered as well. You can see far across the sky. It's still a bit, like in between darkness and light, and it looks pretty. There's like white, and then it's a bit yellowish, and then it's a bit pink, and then these are like the clouds which give it a bit black shade, and then it's a bit like blue. So yeah, that's one of the best part of being outside and working, that you can enjoy the nature.